Today we took the local bus from Symi to beautiful Pedi Bay. During our stay in Symi, we completely fell in love with the colourful, charming pastel buildings and the lively atmosphere around the port. There's always something happening. But today felt completely different. As soon as we arrived at Pedi Bay, everything instantly felt calmer. If Symi town feels vibrant and full of life, Pedi Bay feels peaceful, quiet, and untouched. Surrounded by hills and crystal clear water, it's the kind of place that immediately makes you slow down. We spent a few hours simply enjoying the atmosphere, watching the little boats gently float across the bay and taking in the beautiful scenery all around us. After nearly 10 days of exploring Symi, this honestly felt like the perfect reset. No rushing around, no plans, just relaxing and appreciating a slower side of Greek island life. What I loved most was how different it felt compared to Symi Harbour. In town, there's movement and energy everywhere. Here, everything feels softer, quieter. Almost like time slows down. And sometimes, those simple moments during travel end up becoming the most memorable. If you're staying in Symi for more than a few days, I would definitely recommend taking a few hours to visit Pedi Bay. Just a short bus ride away, but it felt like a completely different world.